Doing a just a flower expansion. These are the Federal Power Lock, I believe. Let me see. Power Shock. Federal Power Shocks, 180 grain, shooting out the CVA Hunter. I'm finding that this rifle definitely likes the anything under 200 grain. But here we go, about 50 yards, and let's see what we can get. All right, here we go. As you see, it's green. The leaves have grown and are safely secure in the tree, so I don't have to worry about it falling. And let's see what we got here. Got a solid impact. Woo! Blew a big hole out the back. Let's see what we got. Yeah, I don't think we went through. And there's the bullet. Wow. There's a big puff melon right there. It is cool. We get it cleaned up. Whoops. Yeah, we get it cleaned up. And take a look. That is some massive monster expansion going on. That is the flower. Just hitting the flower smooth. Smoothly as can be. Didn't even penetrate the blue jeans. So, I mean, that 44 Magnum, everything hit that flower. Y'all seen it blew a barn door on the back of the flower. And just nice little cushion stop. Whew. There we go. We'll get it back to the table. Yeehaw. Oh, let's see what we got. This is pretty cool with this. This dang thing almost expanded inside out. Pretty much did expand inside out. That is really cool. I like that. Alright, and it did not blow through the first pair of jeans. It just like landed softly in there. Let's see what kind of weight we got left over. There's some flour on there, but it's okay. And let me put it on what it's supposed to be. There we go. 180 grain, and that's still, even with the flour, that's 173. 173.3. I mean, you knock off, I mean, hell, even if you knocked off 20 grains from the flour, the little bit of flour that's on there, 25 grains, you know, 150 grain out of 180 left over, that did really well. I think it's cool how it pretty much, you know, turned inside out. Here, from the flour. Almost an inch. 0.98 over. There you go. That's nice. Let's see what we got going that way. Ha! Look at there. Not too bad. That is actually one of the more impressive expansions I've had right there. That is really cool. Nice. Thanks for watching.